If you run an e-commerce or drop shipping business, you already know how frustrating product sourcing can be. You spend hours researching products, trying to find reliable suppliers, and going back and forth through endless emails. And after all that work, there's still no guarantee customers will even want the product. That's why one of the smartest things you can do is focus on products that are already trending. You can spot them on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or even LinkedIn. Once you find something interesting, you can simply take a screenshot. But then comes the real question. How do you actually find the factory making that product, negotiate a good wholesale price, and make sure your payment is protected? The good news is, you absolutely can do all of that. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use two tools on Alibaba.com to go from a product idea to a verified supplier, with pricing, customization options, and a sample request, all in one sitting. By the time this video ends, you'll be able to do this yourself. Let's get into it. Now, when I say Alibaba.com, one of the world's leading B2B e-commerce platforms, it connects entrepreneurs, small business owners, and side hustlers directly with factories and verified suppliers. We're talking about some serious scale here, 50 million active buyers across more than 200 countries. Over $100 billion in export volume flowing through this platform. More than 200,000 verified suppliers, making everything from apparel and electronics to packaging and machinery. And the best part? You don't need to be a massive corporation to use it. Small minimum order quantities, factory-level pricing, and every product category you can think of. This is a platform built for people who want to source products globally and actually build a business. And now they've layered powerful AI tools on top of it that can make the whole sourcing process much faster. Let me show you the first one. This is Alibaba Lens. It is a free AI-powered Chrome extension built by Alibaba.com. And I am not exaggerating when I say this tool can really change how you find products to sell. Here's how it works. Step 1. Scroll down to the bottom of Alibaba homepage, and you will find the button to install Alibaba Lens. Click here, and click Add to Chrome. It takes 10 seconds. Once it's installed, you'll see this little orange icon in your toolbar. Pin it so it's always visible. Done. That's your setup. Step 2. Now browse literally almost any website. Let me show you what I mean. I'm on a website right now looking at this desk lamp. It's selling for $102. Looks nice. Good reviews. Let's say I want to find out who actually manufactures this and what the wholesale price is. Instead of typing vague keywords into a search bar and hoping for the best, I just click the Alibaba Lens icon in my toolbar, hover over the product image, and click it once. Boom! Look at that. Instantly, without me leaving the website or switching tabs, Alibaba Lens has searched across more than 200 million product listings on Alibaba.com and found matching products, with wholesale prices, minimum order quantities, and supplier information. I can see similar desk lamps for a fraction of that $102. Now look, this toggle, customization. If I turn this on, it filters to show only suppliers who offer OEM and ODM, meaning they can customize the product with my logo, my packaging, my colors. That's the difference between just reselling someone else's product and building your own brand. And here's where the AI gets really smart. I can type additional text to refine the results. Let's say I don't want a standard desk lamp. I want one with a wireless charging base. I just type wireless charger into the search bar inside the Alibaba Lens panel. Now the AI is combining the image of the lamp with my text request, and it's showing me matching products that have both the visual design and that feature. This is what they call multimodal search. Image plus text. And it works incredibly well. Now let me show you one more scenario, because this is where Lens really saves you. Imagine you're on TikTok or Pinterest and you see a product going viral. Maybe a Korean skincare product being demoed by an influencer. The video's in Korean, you can't even read the packaging, and you have no idea what the product is called. With Alibaba Lens, you don't need to know the name. You don't need to speak the language. You screenshot the video frame, and Alibaba Lens can find the matching similar product on Alibaba.com in seconds. It bridges the language gap. It converts the currency automatically. It supports over 20 currencies, by the way, and it gives you supplier details, MOQ, and pricing, all from one click. And by the way, it works not just for finished products. Car parts, kitchen utensils, packaging designs, fabric patterns. You screenshot it, Alibaba Lens finds it. It is genuinely one of the most useful free tools I've ever seen for product sourcing. Okay, so Alibaba Lens is incredible for discovery, for when you're browsing and you spot something interesting. But what about when you already know what you want and you need to go deeper? Like, you want to find the right supplier, compare options, check certifications, get pricing tiers, maybe even evaluate the market before you commit? That's where Alibaba.com AI mode comes in. I'm going to pull it up right now. This is it. Think of AI mode as your personal sourcing assistant, one that works for you around the clock. It's built on a really advanced AI engine, and what makes it different from just typing into a search bar is that it actually understands your sourcing need. You don't have to know the right keywords or the technical product names. You just describe what you want, like you're talking to a person. I'll type, I need 500 insulated stainless steel water bottles, BPA free, with laser engraved logo, matte black finish. Shipped to Los Angeles. I need FDA certification and a lead time under 3 weeks. Watch what the AI does. It searches across the entire supplier network. We're talking over 200,000 suppliers. And it helps evaluate them automatically. It's checking pricing, checking certifications, checking production capacity, checking their delivery track record, checking whether they actually support customization. And it comes back with curated matches that fit my exact requirements. Let me open this one, so I can see right here. This is a verified manufacturer, third-party audited. They've got the FDA certification I need. They support low minimum order quantities. So I don't have to commit to 10,000 units to even test a product. I can see their production capacity, their average lead time, and reviews from other buyers who've ordered from them. This is what verified supplier actually means on Alibaba.com. It's not just a badge. The platform uses real third-party inspection companies to vet these factories. So when you see that verified badge, there's actual due diligence behind it. And it goes even further than supplier matching. AI mode has a product research function where you can analyze best sellers in your niche, understand what's trending, see what gaps exist in the market. There's a business analysis function that can do a full feasibility study, pricing landscape, supply availability, market trends, before you even place a sample order. For anyone who's running a business or thinking about launching one, that kind of intelligence used to cost you a consultant or weeks of your own research time. Now it's built right into the platform. And when you're ready to actually move forward, everything is integrated. You've got trade assurance protecting your payment. You can request samples. You can choose from multiple shipping options, including suppliers who offer 7-day fast dispatch. And there's an on-time delivery guarantee backed by the platform. So it's not just sourcing, it's the entire procurement workflow, from discovery to delivery in one place. Okay, so here's the big picture. What Alibaba.com has done with these AI features can help compress what used to be a days-long sourcing process into something you can often do in an afternoon. If you want to try this for yourself, both tools are completely free to start. So, if you want to scale your business, Alibaba.com can be your good friend. So, scan the QR code on the screen, or head over to the App Store or Google Play to download the Alibaba.com app right now. And AI mode is live right now, linked below. If this video helped you, I'd really appreciate a like. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button. I'll see you in the next one.